think, as I mentioned, I think I need to know what are the critical issues that we are facing in our hotel. So each hotel has its own set of issues. So we at Khoory Hotels look at that very closely. What are the key pressing points? It could be operational, it could be revenue centric, it could be guest processes. So once we identify those top three, we really keep which is the really pressing ones that we need to address given the budget guidelines that we have. So if that has been done, then we look at options within the industry, talk to fellow hoteliers, talk to the industry veterans, and see what references do we get and which are the options in that space. And then we call the technology provider to give us a demo, make us run the whole program. We evaluate the ROIs that we get there, and we do a proof of concept. So I think a step-by-step process, and that helps us clearly understand the value benefits that comes along. And more often than not, I think this has been a successful approach for me.